If you want to get data from a SQL table into Podio, then let me show you how DataSync is the tool for you. Just drag the SQL table onto the source window and set the target to the app in Podio. As we've already saved the connections, we can just add these from the connection library. Now we need to configure the schema map. Add and remove columns as you need to, and make sure the columns are mapped to their corresponding column in the target. As I want to keep a relationship between the customer app and the project app, I'm going to add a lookup on the company ID. You can either use the lookup button, or you can drag and drop the customer app onto the company ID column in the source. We then just need to change the target lookup column to be the one that matches the source data, and click OK. If we expand the lookup, we can then see all the columns available. So let's add the column we need to the schema and make sure to map this to the right field in Podio. We can now click Compare A to B to view what needs to be added to make the target match the source. Here we have 5 records to add, and clicking onto the result will show a preview of the data that's going to be added. Check it looks as it should, and then click Synchronise and Start to begin the sync. If we run the compare again, we can see the sync was successful as there were no records to add. Let's jump to Podio to check there as well. If we open Podio and navigate to the Projects app, we can see that all of the records have now been added. Opening a project also shows us the linked customer, and if we click onto that record, we can also see all the customer details, so everything worked as expected. If you have any questions, send us an email or get started on a trial today.